Hello, LaurelCard of LaurelCard Latin Dance here with the Mom Edit for your 8-week Beginner Bachata series. Each week you're going to learn new footwork and new partner work. You will take that and practice it all week, then come back and learn new footwork and partner week. This will take you to the 8th week, where on the 8th week you will review everything you have learned, and then we will put together a combo, a partnering combo that you can practice and will get you ready to go out on the dance floor. You do not need a partner to do this series. You can learn it on your own, but if you do have somebody, grab them. It can be your spouse, your friend, your kid, your parent, whatever you have. And real quick, I just want to tell you that in partnering, there is a leader and there is a follower. Back in the olden days, men were leaders, women were followers, but nowadays everything has changed and you can be anything that you want to be. The leader is the one that gives the cue of what they want the follower to do, and the follower does the movement. You decide what part you would like to learn, and let's get started. Okay, so first we are going to start off getting your body ready to dance, right? So this is not bachata. This is just general body movement, keeping time, warming up, getting the blood flowing. So just stand and bounce your knees. Down and go down. Down, 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 down. Good. Now a 2-step. You're going to go step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Keep those knees bouncing. 4-step. Together, step, tap, and step, together, step. One more time. Keep bouncing. Move your upper body however you want. And 2-step. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Getting those knees ready and in place. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, good. Shake it all out. Shake it all out. Okay, I want you to stand up tall, feet together, core pulled in, chest is lifted, shoulders are down, arms are up by your belly button area. I want you to soften and relax your knees, but just a little bit, right? So you should be able to bounce. We're not bending our knees down here, right? Just soft, soft knees. Okay, you're going to step to the side, side, together, side, tap. Keep that heel up. Side, together, side, tap, and side, together, side, tap. I'm going to turn around for you and we will get you warmed up. This is your basic side to side. Starting on your left. Side, together, side, tap, side, together, side, to the music. Side, together, side, tap, side, together, side, tap, side, together, side. Keep those arms up. Knees are soft. Keep going. And side, together, side, tap, side, together, side, tap, side, together, side, together, stop. Forward on your left. Forward, 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 tap, back, 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 tap. Forward, 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 tap, back, back, back to music. 5, 6, 7, and forward, 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 tap, back. Remember, those knees are slightly bent. Back, 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 tap. Forward, 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 tap, back, back. One more time. Forward, forward, forward. Now to the side and a side, together, side, tap, side, together, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And forward. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. And 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Stop. Box step. You're going to go side, together, forward on your left, and tap. Side, together, back on your right, tap. Side, together, forward, left, tap. Side, together, back, right, tap. Side, together, forward, tap. Side, together, back, Here we go. And side together, forward tap, and back tap. Side together, forward tap, side together, back tap. Side together, forward tap, together, back. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To the side. And a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. And forward. Forward, 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 tap, back, 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 tap, forward, 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 and back to the side again, and side together, side tap. Keep going. And box. Side together, forward, side together, back, side together, forward, side together, and side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3. Forward and back, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Box step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Keep those knees nice and soft and get a box. 2, 3, 5, 6. To the side. 1. Stand up tall. Keep your weight in the front part of your foot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, box step, go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those are your very basic steps. Side, forward and back, and box step. So now I want you to grab your partner, or you can do it on your own, and we will show how this works together. This is my partner, Tracy. Tracy teaches with me at the studio. So we're gonna show you how connection works. How does this whole lead and follow thing work? What I want you to do is I want you to take your hands, palm to palm, in front of you, and I want you to put your hands in the common center. So right in between both of your bodies, and about nose level to your partner. Right, so you're always adjusting to your partner. So if your partner is taller, your hands go taller. If they're shorter, they're lower. Adjust to your partner. And I want you to be pressing into the hands. You're not like light as a feather. You're pressing so you can feel each other's bodies. Now the arms are connected to your back so that when I give pressure, Tracy's whole body is gonna move back. When I release pressure, her whole body moves forward. So practice this with your partner just a couple times. You should feel like you're moving weight. It should not feel like air. If it feels like air, it means that your partner is just walking by themselves. They're not waiting for you, and they're not connecting their arms to their body. Now, what does it look like to not connect your arms to your body? If I went to put Tracy backwards and this happened, her with her elbows. She is not connected, and I'm just gonna be plowing her over, right? So keep these elbows in front of you, followers, at all times. Yes? And you can move your partner, right? Same thing to the side, just because you're connected. If my body moves, Tracy's body has to move because she's staying connected to me, right? And because we're pressing into our palms, so she knows where I'm going. Just so you know, the follower is doing the exact same steps that we just warmed up. They just start on their right foot instead of their left. So that when we're facing each other, as I move to the left, Tracy's just moving with her to the right. So all steps you just learned exactly the same, just the follower does them starting on the right, leader does them starting on the left. So we take that idea, and now leaders, you're gonna make cups, and followers, you're going to make hooks. And you're gonna take your hooks and you're gonna put them into the cups. But you're not squeezing the fingers. Don't use your thumbs, but put them down. And this hook, I can push on the palm or pull. So my hand is free within this hand, right? So when I want Tracy to move back, I'm going to push with the back of my hand into her palm, and she moves back. Then I want her to come towards me. I need to pull with her fingers. Yes? So try this. Go push the palm, and notice how Tracy's wrists are down. right? Tracy, put your wrists up. If Tracy dances like this, which a lot of people do, there's no palm, I can't move her, right? So the wrists have to go down and I can push, 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 and pull, pull, pull. Again, push, 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 and pull. Same thing, I go to the side, we're connected just like the other way, so Tracy knows that that's where I'm going. The biggest one is the push and the pull. Okay, so now we're gonna go over our steps and talk about how the follower will know when you want them to change direction. We're gonna start side to side. Bring your hands to the core of your follower, around belly button area, and step to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Your arms can swing naturally a little bit, but you don't want to go bananas because then your follower will have no idea what you want them to do. So don't get too excited. You want to keep your frame. Yes. One more time. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on 8. When you tap on 8 leaders, you're going to start lightly pressing on the palm of the follower. That's letting your partner know, okay, they're changing my direction. And then Tracy will know to step back on her next step. 4, 5, 6, 7, I press. 1, 2, 3, I pull. 5, 6, so always on the tap. 1, 2, 3, I pull. 5, 6, 7, I push. 1, 2, 3, I pull. 5, 6, I do nothing. She knows we go to the side. The side is always your default step, followers, until you feel the leader changing your direction, and they will most likely change your direction on the tap. There's one exception, and we're about to do that with the box step. So let's try this again, 2 timing. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Another side basic. 1, 2, 3. Get ready to push here and 1, 2, 3, and pull. 5, 6, 7, and push. 1, 2, 3, and pull. Back to the side. And a 1, 2, 3. Notice we're taking really small steps. Keep those feet right under you. There's no need to travel all over the room. Get ready to push, push. 1, 2, 3. Make sure your hands are pushing and pulling on the tap. You have to give the follower a heads up before they take the step or they won't know what's going on. To the side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, stop. Okay, this is the box step. It's a little bit different. So we're gonna go to the side. Side together. When we close, that's when I'm gonna push on Tracy's hands because I want her to go back on the 3rd step. Back and tap. Then we go side together, and then when I go together, I'm gonna pull to make her come forward, tap. Side together, back, tap. Side, pull, and tap. Side, push, back, and side, and pull. So make sure you're pushing as you close your feet, and then you're pulling as you close your feet. Normally, once you get the first box step in there, the follower gets it. So you don't have to be so strong with it, but the first one is the most important. And then obviously not doing anything when you get out of the box if you don't want to continue the box. Yes? Let's try that to timing, just the box step. 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice Tracy's wrists are down and I have palms to push on. And her elbows aren't going anywhere. Do you see her arms don't move? That's how I can lead her. If she had spaghetti arms, I wouldn't be able to do it. I wouldn't be able to do anything, right? 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you have a week. Practice, practice, practice your basics. Especially if you are a leader, you are going to want to have, especially the side-to-side step, down packed because we're gonna start adding how to lead different moves. And if you have to think about your arms and your feet at the same time, you're gonna feel like your head's gonna explode. So practice your feet. A good test is do your basic step and talk to a friend or your partner or whatever and have a conversation about your day and what you did. And if your feet are able to continue the basic step as you explain what you did all day, then you know that you have muscle memoried your basic steps into your body. So that's where I want you to be next week. I'll see you soon.
Relax, everyone, okay?
I have turmeric in my fingernails.
Oh, no.
Can you see my face?
Yes. That's why I said don't talk.
That has to stay in.